Good evening. Hello, hello from wherever you are in the world. My name is Tariro Negitare, and welcome to Magitare Live, the space where we celebrate everything and everyone creative. Tonight we have an exciting guest, but before we get to that, I'd like to thank our sponsors. A big shout out to the US Embassy for supporting us, to the Oasis, the studio in Bulawayo. If you haven't been to the Oasis, please make time to just go onto their page and drop in if you are in the city and see what the artists are up to at the Oasis. Tonight we have an amazing singer, songwriter, and guitarist, Ashley Nkiwane. Welcome to Magitare Live.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So I met you first at the Art of Health competition in Harare, and then we met again at the Celebrate Africa competition. Are you a competition person? How's that going for you?
Yeah, I will say this.
Yeah.
I'm not really a competition person, but for experience, I just thought about, let me just try it. And then how it got interesting, let me try it for the last time. But nah, I'm not really a competing type of a person.
Nice. But what did you learn? Because I mean, those platforms, there's so much that you go through. What sort of things did you learn from those competitions?
Yeah, I will say this. As much as I compose my own songs, I learned one thing that I learned was whatever you say or sing about, you should have like a take-home message. And that you meet a lot of people with different ideas. And that also even helps you as you grow into the music world, or is it be it your personal space of music world.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing.
So give us a brief background of where you came from and how you ended up deciding, okay, this is me, I'm going to be singing. How did we get to that stage?
I was never a singing person.
What?
I was more of a dancer actually.
Oh, wow.
But after the tragedy of my dad passing away, then had to come this side in Zimbabwe like 2016.
Where were you before?
South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was amazing how everyone this side just loves singing, especially from my family. And then I'm like, why not? Like, let me just sing. I sing at church most of the time. And people are like, you've got something in you. I'm like, really? Nah, maybe. But yeah, with that, then I grew. I taught myself through experience and, observing most of the time. Yeah.
So one of the things from the Art of Health competition that I know you managed to do was do a music video. Was that your first music video?
Yes.
And what was the experience like for you?
It was fun, honestly, because I never thought that people or like the crew, they do what you want. I'm not saying it's good, it's bad, but like it's just like doing your own thing and just doing what you love and people capturing the moments. It was just amazing. It was amazing.
And the particular song that you did, you talked about self-worth, and I thought that song was way beyond your years. Tell me a bit about that, and why is self-worth so important to you?
Okay. So the song, it was actually written in 2019. I wrote it after, after I finished my Form 4 exams. I was going through a bit of a roughy edge, but through my past experience, losing a dad and having to venture on without him, and then you just realize that in life, as much as you have people supporting you, uplifting you, you also have to have it within you, and find a source of belief.
Wow.
Personally for me, it's like God at the same time, So having to learn that and putting it in song,
Oh, yeah.
it was me telling my story as I begin. There's a story.
Yeah.
So I felt like I have to tell it out there that it's important really to know that as much as you have people, you also have that source, that belief that becomes your self-worth as well.
Wow. Well, may his soul continue to rest in peace.
Thank you.
So what message would you have for self-worth? Because, we're living in a world where we are finding worth from the wrong things. I know it's very important to you. So what sort of message would you have to your audience about self-worth?
Sure. as much as people preach about self-love, hey,
It's hard.
it's hard because the self-love, it's like outer appearance most of the time, but it's very much, if you're mentally healthy, you trust me, you're literally ready to get through the day. But as much as we are diverse, we have different beliefs, but for me, to you, to them, or to you, the one listening, my self-worth came from God. You
Wow.
know, when you experience things, and as a believer, you just, you know, you get to understand, not there and there, but with experience and scenarios, it's really find your source.
Oh,
It
yeah.
takes time, but never ever think about, no, maybe let me take drugs, or let me just something that will numb me away. Trust me, it's just temporary. But find a solid, very much solid, you know, something that you know. For me, I know God's got my back.
Yes.
So yeah, it's important, really. It's important. Mental health is important.
Exactly.
It's very important.
That's
you might
true.
look pretty outside. I can.
Yes.
You know,
but you'll never know what's going on deep down.
exactly.
Well, his ways are not our ways, and I like that all things have worked together for your good.
Exactly.
Which brings me to the next question. I'm excited to see what's next with Ashley. What's going on?
So currently, I just finished writing my A level.
Oh, sweet! And how did we do?
Honestly, they were hard. I will
Okay.
not lie, but it's must. I know that belief. I have that feeling.
Yeah. You'll be all right.
Yeah, I'll be all right.
Nice.
So far, so good.
Okay.
Like it's a relief. Hey.
If music was not in the picture, what were you going to be?
I love drawing.
Oh, wow.
I will definitely venture into painting.
Oh, wow.
I wouldn't say I'm a collector, but I love creating stuff. Because which brings me to something I wanted to start. I'm yet to watch out. I want to venture into like soft woodwork. Yeah.
Look at you now.
Ish.
Look at you.
Yeah, so but definitely that is coming along.
That's exciting. And I love that you're learning to play the guitar as well. We need a lot more women taking up instruments. Trust, it saves a lot when you get into studio,
Very
right? It does, because you know
very
exactly
much.
what you're trying to do.
Exactly.
Who's teaching you?
I'm teaching myself.
Wow.
Like
Well
literally.
done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Literally, it's fun actually teaching myself, because no one is going to tell me that. It's actually like, oh, I can.
Yes, and you do it at your own pace.
Exactly.
That's lovely.
Exactly.
Well, Ashley, I'm so excited for you. I'm excited for what the future has to hold. And may your gift continue to make room for you.
Thank you.
We're looking forward to seeing you on the Magitare stage. And I hope this is not the last time for us to see you. That's lovely. Please do stay tuned. Ashley's still with us, and she'll be performing some of her songs on the Magitare live stage. So where can people find you?
I'm on Instagram
Yes.
at Ashi_Wishy, and on Facebook as well. But for me, it's just hi there.
What's the name on Facebook?
It's just Ashley Nkiwane.
Nice. So
Yeah.
please follow Ashley Nkiwane on Facebook and Instagram, and continue to support us on Magitare Live. A big shout out to everyone who made this production possible, particularly the US Embassy and the Oasis, which is where we are live from Bulawayo. So please stay tuned. We'll be watching Ashley in a bit.
I've been broken, I am. I've cried with passion, I do. It's been years since I lost them both. Well, they had been while living is for. In this world, blue and white, he loves me regardlessly. Oh, he loves me regardlessly. He cares for me no matter what it be. He loves me
Okay, so this song that I'm about to perform, like, it was for a friend. Still a friend, actually. Like, it was. We met at New Year 2019. Namanje, your friendship is goals. Like, ngambhalela, but he was just like, lawe. Mara kunandaba, I'm here to share it, I hope you'll get the vibes. Everybody got you, everybody got you, 'cause I got you, you, I got you. You're pleasing to the mind and to the eye. You're like the apple I met the eye. Oh, 'cause you're the phantom of beauty. Remember that. 'Cause you're the one who really knew me. I get that. Oh, we met in the dark. We caught the spark. No matter where we are, 'cause you are. Hey, 'cause I got you. 'Cause I got you. 'Cause I got you. You. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Don't worry, my dear friend, when the world ain't so friendly, I will keep you smiling, 'cause it's just the way it goes. You are mine and I am yours. When you give me that smile, oh, I am proud to have you by my side. Oh, I got you. Peace. So before I perform, it's very short, yes. But it's just when you're not feeling the day really, like literally, when you're just so down. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So I'm laying on the floor, can't try anymore. Keep getting the cold from the cruel world. So let's go out. Let's go out to space. Oh, so I'm laying on the floor, can't try anymore. Keep getting the cold from the cruel world. So let's go out. Let's go outer space. But my friend, just get off of the floor and try some more. The world will be this cruel, just don't care at all. You will be alright. You will be alright. So try some more. Just try some more. Awesome.